area over the past hour and a half. An additional 1 to 3 inches of rain could fall through 10:30 p.m., resulting in areas of flash flooding. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar indicated. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Flooding locations that will experience flash flooding include Yamasee, Barnville, Early Branch, Cummings, McPhersonville, Grays, Almeida Intersection, Oakland, Oswego, Gillisonville, and Comanche. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding.